So my husband says to me, can't you just get over it? After 38 years together, can't you just get over it? And of course he meant, the night that he got blackout drunk, beat me up. Didn't beat me up, thumped on me. That's a better word. Grabbed my neck and was jerking me around, hit me on the head, terrorized me, laid on me I just had my knees replaced. He's laying on my legs, hurting me, wouldn't let me up, he knows it drives me crazy. Well, it doesn't. It makes me panic when he's like laying on me and face to face. Anyway, he's just like, yeah, you just get over it after 38 years together. Like I have in all the years before. Why can't I just get over it this time? Well, I'm like, it was worse this time. You kept screaming how much you hated me. And you were talking mean to me like you've never talked mean to me before. And you were saying how much he's hitting his chest, saying how much him and the neighbor had a real thing for each other. And, anyway. This is a neighbor that got a felony DUI, and so she needed a driver. She hired him, and he's been driving her for like over 2 years. And she finally got her license back in January, but I said, that doesn't matter. She's going to have you driving her because she's going to be getting drunk at night like she does. And she's going to be calling you going, hey, I'm out of you. Take me here, take me there. This isn't going to end. And that's exactly what is going on. Exactly. So, of course, it didn't stop. The constant using. But, since that night, I told him, okay, I am leaving. I don't want to stay anymore. I don't want to be terrorized anymore. I don't want to be hurt anymore. Really hurt me. Mentally, physically, emotionally. I mean, everywhere you could stab a person in the back, he fucking did it. He did it. Anyway, bleep. Edit. Anyway, yeah, he hurt me. He hurt me bad. I went and had x-rays on my neck. And I haven't got the results of that yet to find out. Because, I couldn't even turn my neck. It was so painful. It was just hurt bad. And my doctor, I went in and I told her what happened. She said she thought it was whiplash. And actually, I seen a doctor I didn't even know. Never met before. But, yeah, she told me she thought it was whiplash. And she ordered the x-rays. And she did a week of prednisone prescription for me. And I just finished that, and that really helped my neck. But I'm still having these weird pains that shooting up my neck and pains in the top of my head and headaches. And I've never had headaches very bad, not too bad, not like this. It's kind of weird. So anyway, I think it's coming from my neck. But I was remembering, geez, how come my neck is as bad as it is? Yeah, I have terrible arthritis. I have degenerative arthritis. I have a twitch, which is grating the hell out of my bones. Okay, it's a cuss night, it looks like. I'm sorry. Anyway, then I remembered about 4 years ago, I think it was, because I know it was before I got my new knees, because I was still on my walker, and he was drunk. And we were out in the kitchen, and somehow my walker went flying, and I think I was sitting on it, and it went flying backwards. Back at me, went back, hit the box, and flipped back, and my neck hit that box, and it was a cardboard box, but I call it the potato box because it was off of the semi. We live in a place where semis wreck all the time. So what's on these semis gets donated around this whole valley where we live to like a local food banks and everywhere. It goes everywhere, and you know, everybody has lots of potatoes for a few months. But anyway, somebody got a box, gave my husband some. I call it the potato box because it was cardboard, but it was just like wood. Yeah, it was just like wood. Oh my God, it was so hard, you know, and I hit that, and for weeks, you know, my neck was really super crunchy and stuff. I don't know why I didn't go to the doctor and get that x-rayed back then for that. But I mean, it's been really bad since then. But yeah, anyway, him jerking on it, whiplash, whatever. Steroids helped. We'll see what's going to happen. I don't know. I probably bored you guys with all of that, but that's what, anyway, he expects me to just get over it. And I'm not getting over it. For the first time, I told doctors what really happened. I even told the x-ray guy. He's like, oh, default, you know, asked me how I got hurt. I was like, no, my husband jerked my head. God, people must think I'm crazy. I think I'm crazy. Why wouldn't they think I'm crazy? So, no, I'm not getting over it. I'm not getting over him telling me how much he cares for this woman. I mean, and I'm not getting over having him scream how much he hated me, because he's never ever done that before. And this is what has changed. We've never had a woman, you know, in all the years of our problems, we've never had a woman in the situation come between us. And so, yeah, I got 2 new knees, and I've lost 223 pounds. I did a year of physical therapy. Over these last 3 years, I've like rebuilt my body. You know, it's taken me 10 years to get the weight off, but these last 3 years, I got the 2 new knees and did the year of physical therapy and got myself out of the wheelchair and have been rebuilding my life. And boy, he don't like that at all, I guess. Because the things he was saying the other night when he got drunk, here 2 months later after the beating drunken incident, he gets drunk the other night, and oh, he's saying, oh yeah, you're getting better now. I helped nurse you, get you through all this, and you're getting better, and now you're going to leave me. I'm like, you're telling me you're in love with the fucking another woman. God damn, my mouth is just really bad tonight, and I don't know why. It's not like I've even had alcohol or nothing. I just imagine how bad this video would be if I had actually had a drink. But, yeah, so, anyway, I'm not getting over it. God dang it, I'm getting out. I'm trying to get money together. I'm trying to get a place, find a place. I'm trying to figure out, you know, where I'm going to move to, what I can afford. My daughter and I, we were going to get a place, and her boyfriend, we were all 3 going to get a place. They wanted me to move in with them. But I don't know if those ideas have changed, because they both got different jobs. Well, he didn't get a different job, but she got a different job. Things have kind of changed in their situation to where I don't know if they want to move now. They're liking where they're living. They were hating where they were living, and now all of a sudden she's liking it again, and it's very inexpensive compared to everything out there. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think I just need to figure out what I'm going to do by myself. I'm trying to make a YouTube career. I really want to help people, though. That's what would be amazing is, you know, my weight loss channel, Debbie's Weight Loss Revolution. Over on the other side, I've been trying to make, you know, monetize that channel and stuff. So this channel is like a little passion channel. I don't care if it gets monetized. I probably won't. I'll probably get kicked off because I have said all those words you're not supposed to say, I guess. I don't know what they are. Where's the list of words you're not supposed to say? Other people say, like, oh, he unalived himself. And I'm like, what? Yeah, there's a whole new code Jeez. Yeah. I'm trying to learn. I'm 64 years old. And I am trying to learn so many new things. And it's like, oh gosh, you gotta learn a whole new language too. Not only do you need to learn to edit, not only do you need to learn how to film, not only do you need to learn how to speak, where to look, and I still don't get any of it right. But I'm just here and I'm trying and I'm sharing. And there's so many women that have been telling me, they're still in this situation and that they're trying to get out. And there's so many have told me, hey, I'm out and I feel amazing, and you're going to feel amazing too. And then once you're out, this one lady said, just sitting there and having a cup of tea in the morning in total peace, it's going to hit ya. Oh, I just had a chill. Just thinking of it. Just picturing it. My cozy little home with a lot of white stuff. White tablecloths and white curtains and all that stuff you can't have when you live with a man that smokes all the time. Anyway, I've been imagining my cute new little place I'm gonna fix all up for just me and my little cookie dog. So, where nobody's gonna hurt me. And there's another thing that happened, is when he got drunk 2 nights ago, he says to me, oh, you don't have to worry, I'm not coming around and asking you for sex or nothing, and I'm not, you don't have to worry about me touching you, because I know. Oh, I shouldn't be saying it in that voice. Anyway, yes, that's how I imitate him. But anyway, he was saying, yeah, basically, don't worry, I ain't gonna bother you, and I'm not gonna touch you, because I know. And I was thinking about that a little bit ago, and I was thinking, because he knows I'm serious. He knows that I'm serious this time, that he will go to prison, that I have recordings already, and things that would, and he actually listened to the recording, so who knows, it would probably put him in jail. And it's like he's acting like, oh, why is it so bad? What happened? And I'm like, well, Vance, it's illegal to threaten people the way you can't threaten to kill people. You can't threaten to have, what is it when they have sex with you and they're not supposed to have sex with you? What's that? I don't know. The R word. I don't know the new language. Anyway, you can't keep people hostage. You can't thump them on the head. You cannot threaten them. You cannot jerk their necks. You can't lay on their new knees and try to break them. You can't thump them on the head and try to make them have a stroke. You can't try to make them sick and make them throw up, because you know once they start throwing up, they can't stop, and that it could end up very bad. So, anyway, yeah, he knows, and he knows I'm serious this time, and that's what I realized. Oh my God, he really does know I'm serious. You know, that he knows I'm serious. And he doesn't want to go to prison. He really doesn't. So, and I am serious, and I am seeing my freedom, and yeah, I was kind of babbling a lot, but I really needed to talk to somebody, and I was looking, I called my daughter, she didn't answer the phone. Can't you blame her? And it's her day off, poor kid. Yeah, oh my God, anyway. The badass baby boomer rides again. I wanted someone to talk to, and yeah, I thought, well, why don't I just talk to my subscribers, because my God, they're so amazing. They've changed my life. making me feel so good. My subscribers, the things that you guys have said, and the encouragement, and the shares. The shares. You guys are the people I needed. I didn't even know I needed. You don't know who you need until you find them. And I found you guys. And it's just amazing. And it's making me feel so good. And so, yeah, I'm spilling my whole guts. And I'm being me. I try not to cuss on here, but I'm a real cusser. I'm a Christian cusser. I am a Christian, but I cuss. Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe I need to go have a drink. Come back and do a better job. Okay, I love you guys. And if you're